5 costly mistakes you must absolutely avoid when renting out your cars. Let's go. At number 1, buying the wrong cars. Buying the wrong cars can cost you a lot of money. A lot of people just jump into the car rental game and they want to buy cars that they want to drive, or they want to buy luxury cars without doing any research or understanding what it actually takes to run a luxury car rental business. Buying the wrong cars will cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. We've seen a lot of people go out of business in this industry by simply getting the wrong cars. So make sure to avoid this mistake by doing research in your market. Number 2, not niching down. Not niching down will cost you everything in this business. And a lot of people make this mistake. They get too excited and then they go out and they want to buy a bunch of cars. There was a time where people were running a 30 cars in 30 days play, and that was extremely dangerous because if you buy 30 cars without niching down, it becomes very, very difficult to run a car rental business. You have cars sitting, you have car payments, and you have car notes, and you will go bankrupt. Do not play with this. Make sure to niche down. Identify the demand and cater to the right customer so that you can consistently have rentals and make money. Number 3, not doing background checks. Man, a lot of people get burnt by not doing background checks. You need to make sure that you know exactly who you're giving your cars to. Not doing background checks will lead to your cars getting stolen, getting damaged, and getting lost. So make sure that you do your background checks at all times, and make sure that you avoid criminals and you know exactly who is taking your cars. Number 3, not verifying insurance. Man, a lot of people get burnt by this also, especially in the luxury and exotic game. If you don't verify your insurance and you just take your customer's word for it, you are gonna lose a lot of money and you are gonna get burnt. Always call the insurance company to verify that they have full coverage insurance that extends to rentals. Very important. Full coverage insurance that extends to rentals. Don't trust what your customer says, because your customer will say whatever they need to say to get in your cars. Always make sure to verify insurance. Now, before the next one, if you're liking this video, go ahead and click the like button. Smash that like button. Leave a comment. Tattoo your name in the comments. Tattoo your ideas in the comments. And let me know which video to make next. At number 5, not having kill switches or trackers. Not having kill switches or trackers will cost you hundreds of thousands. It will cost you, each car you don't have a kill switch or tracker in will cost you the amount you paid for that car. Simple as that. Cars will get stolen. Cars will get lost. That is part of the game. So it's important to be able to find your cars as soon as you figure out that there's an issue. As soon as your customer goes unresponsive, you need to know where that car is, and you need to be able to turn the car off. It's a non-negotiable. If you don't know where your car is at bare minimum, your car will be gone and you will never find that car. The police isn't going to help you. Once the police finds out you're renting cars, they are not going to help you. So it is on you to make sure you have trackers, multiple of them, and at least one kill switch in your car. You want to hold the leverage at all times, and you want to make sure that if your customer goes unresponsive, which is pretty common, that you can repossess the car as needed. Finally, the last mistake to avoid is not having a backup plan from Turo. Not having a backup plan from Turo will cost you thousands of dollars because Turo has slow seasons. So what happens during those slow seasons? You get less bookings. Not having a backup plan, not building a private rental business will cost you money during those slow seasons. And even worse, Turo can shadow ban or remove you from their platform. I've been shadow banned on Turo a couple of times from denying rentals. Whenever you get into the game of denying rentals on Turo, Turo will shadow ban you and remove you from their marketplace for an extended period of time. During this time, you're not getting any bookings. So if you don't have a backup plan to Turo, you're at the mercy of Turo. It's important to make sure you avoid these mistakes. That way you can continue to make cash flow. That way you can continue to run your business effectively. I created this channel to help people build a private rental business. I created this channel to help people have a backup plan from Turo. I'm Alex Otto. If you like the videos, go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment in there. Let me know which video to make next. Let me know which topic you're interested in the car rental space. Subscribe to the channel. I go live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and I look forward to seeing you there. Let's go.